Do you want to see Pawns app payment proof and know exactly how much you can earn from it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've been using this app and website for quite a while, and many viewers have asked me for an updated video with Pawns app payment proof, so therefore I decided to record this video. I will show you exactly how to withdraw step by step, show you the payment proof, and I will also tell a little bit about how you can get a $3 joining bonus if you're not yet a member, and we'll of course also talk about how much you can overall earn so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So first, I just want to make it clear that this is not a full Pawns app tutorial or review. This is focused on showing you payment proof, because I do have a full tutorial. I've published that here before. Also, you can find that on my website. I'll leave a link to that below if you want a full tutorial. This is just focused on the earning potential and to show you payment proof. But just in case you're not aware, Pawns is an app and a website you can basically use from all countries. But let me now log into the app, because the app has more earning opportunities. So I'll just show the payment proof from inside the app, and then I will show you how to withdraw and also talk about how much you can earn. So I have now logged into the Pawns app, and as you can see, these are the earnings that I have accumulated here, and the different earning options are down here. But as mentioned, I'm not going to go into all the details about that. We will focus on the payment proof in this video. And right now you can see here that I have accumulated just above like $70 there. So let's just start with showing you exactly how to withdraw and also show you the payment proof. So you need to earn, as you can see, $5. It says minimum $5. So that's a minimum payout threshold. That does not really take long to reach. Also, you will actually get a joining bonus of $1, but you can get up to actually $3 joining bonus. I will talk a little bit about that later. For now, then, I'll just show you how to withdraw. So you need to request payout. So I'll click that button there. And then the exact payout options that are available will depend on the country you live in. But overall, in most countries, you will have Bitcoin or PayPal as an option, and then also some gift cards depending on the country you live in. For example, we can see here, we can just choose, a country here. Let's scroll down and see the US is one of the countries with the most payout options there. So I was just seeing here, US. So then you can see here, again, Bitcoin, PayPal, but a bunch of different gift cards. So the exact gift cards available will vary from country to country. So yeah, overall some really great payout options. For the purpose of this video here, I will choose to get paid via PayPal. And I have just then chosen PayPal as a method there, and you can see there will be a fee. So that's just something to be aware of. But for some payout options, there is not a fee, but that is in general how it is with PayPal. So that's something you need to consider in general when you get paid from different online earning platforms, that PayPal often do have fees. But anyways, you can see the total that I would then get here. It will still be close to the $70. It will just be above $68 there. So then all I need to do is to click to withdraw. And then you just need to confirm, and the email address that will be used is the one that you have used to register with. Of course, I blurred mine out there, but you can just double check that so you are sure that it will go into the email address that's actually connected to your PayPal account if you use PayPal. Of course, if you use other like methods, like if it's Bitcoin, you need to use the right wallet that you want to transfer it to. If you want to get a gift card, you just need to choose the email that you want to have it sent to there. So that's how it works. But then now I'll just click here to confirm, and then you will get a one-time password sent to your email address also, so you just need to verify it. So I'll just write that in here. Of course, I'll also blur that out, even though it's a one-time thing, one-time password there, but I'll just put that in here and then verify. And you can see then it is successful. That's how easy it is. It's super fast there. And also it can take between 42 and 72 hours for you to receive the payment, especially if you do it throughout a weekend or during a weekend. You can see they are not processed on weekends. So that's just something to be aware of. But I will leave a screenshot here on the screen so you can see the payment did go into my PayPal account, the email that I get from PayPal. I'll also there write exactly how long it took for me to receive that payment. So as you can see, Pawns definitely does pay. I've been paid by it many times. But before we actually go over how much you can earn, I just want to talk about this joining bonus you can actually get if you're not yet a member. Because as you can see, you can invite other people, and I also do have an invitation link. And as you can see, you can give $3 as a joining bonus. So how it works is that you share your link. So that also means that I have an invitation link. It will, if you join through that, you're not yet a member, it will support my channel, and I would definitely appreciate that support. But you will actually also get a bonus. You can see here, if we go back there, it says that you will get a $1 joining bonus right away, and then you'll get $1 on your first withdrawal and also a $1 on your second withdrawal there. So it's a $3 in total that you will also get out of this. So if you're not yet a member, then I will leave my invitation link below so you can join through that and also get this nice extra joining bonus. But let's now talk about how much you can overall earn. So whenever I show payment proof, there's a lot of people asking like, oh, how long will it take for me to earn that amount? So people ask like, how many days do I need to spend to earn like $70, for example? But the thing is that you can never get like an exact answer for that. I always say that because there are many things that come into play. When it comes to Pawns, it has a lot of paid service if you use the app. On the website, how you can earn is through sharing your internet bandwidth. You can also do that on your phone. So that's a passive way to earn. That can be a very easy way to earn a little bit in the background. But if you only use that method, it will take you a long time to, for example, earn like $50, $10 or so, because it's just a little bit extra in the background. But it does offer many paid service also in many countries where there's sometimes not a lot of survey apps, but you can only take the service through the apps. But if you do that, you can find some quite nice high paying surveys there and quite easily and fast reach the payout threshold. It's only $5, so it's very fast to reach in most countries. And also, as I showed, you can also invite others. If you have some friends or family that you think that will also be interested, then you can invite them, then you can also earn extra. So if you do that, of course, it will also be faster. But overall, the exact earning potential will of course vary a lot depending on how much time you put in. Will you only use the passive method? Will you also take as many surveys as possible? But it will also depend on your country, because in some countries there are just better options, for example, to share your unused internet bandwidth, so you will earn more that way. And in some countries there's also just a lot more paid service and higher paying service. That's that's just how it is with market research. We get paid because companies do market research, and in some countries they're just willing to pay more for it. That's just how it is. But no matter where you live, it's important to know that Pawns or any other service side or passive income app where you can earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth there. So it's not a way to make a living or anything like that, but it's a nice and easy way to earn some extra money on the side without any investment at all. And Pawns is definitely one of the good survey apps, and also one of the great apps or websites to earn a little bit passive without doing anything extra, because you just have to install it and you will earn whenever you are online. So for some extra money on the side once in a while, I definitely think Pawns is great. I have used it for quite a while, and also I've been paid by it many times. So I really do like it as a way to earn some extra money. If you're not yet a member, then I will leave my invitation link below. That will also be the bonus link, so you can get the joining bonus. If you want to know even more about it, I do have a full written tutorial on my website there. I'll leave a link to that below there. You can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.